confused. Is that an A shirt?
Oh, absolutely not.
Is it a B shirt?
Not even close.
Is it a C shirt?
Wait, did you say Z shirt?
No, I said C shirt.
No, it's a T-shirt.
Is it a D shirt?
Oh, man.
Is it an E shirt?
Why are you going in order? You don't have to go in order.
Is it an F shirt?
No, it's a Z shirt.
Is it a G shirt?
No, it's not H-I-J-K.
Is it an H shirt?
Why do we have to do all of them? I don't see what you're getting at.
Is it an I shirt?
Shit, and those eyes. There's nothing behind
Is
them.
it a G Is it a K shirt?
I wish. They could have just easily put a K on here. We'd be done.
Is it an L shirt? What kind of shirt is it, man? Is it an M shirt?
News and sassy.
So many letters.
So many letters. Oh my god.